Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another KILLSTAR haul because I bought a lot of new items from their new collection and a bit from their last collection, and yeah, I would say I would like to show them to you. We are going through everything and then I will do a try on. So you can see how they fit, how they look on me as an average sized person. I would say I'm not that super thin anymore. I gained some weight and I had to get a few of these items a size bigger, so I got mostly everything in size S. And yeah, I would say let's start. The first item I bought are from the new collection and it's the Sorrow blouse. This will be really... This, ladies and gentlemen, is the blouse. As you can see here, it's not really easy to show because it's very sloppy at the front, and this is the front, and we do have the bag all over here. As you can see, this is see-through, kind of, not too much, but kind of, and you can remove the bow if you wish, but I think this is a really cute detail. Then we do have the sleeves, which are very simple. I like that too because I bought this blouse for work and I really like it. It's really nice. So, on to the next item. This is from the last collection and it's of course this wonderful PVC pencil skirt. This is absolutely one of my favorite collections from KILLSTAR because I love PVC, I love pentagrams, and of course I love tight skirts. So I got this in a size S as well, and you can open this up here at the front. This is how it looks on the inside, and let's see how this will fit. The next item is also one of their new collection items, and it's, as you can see, this wonderful military dress. I love military dresses and I was kind of unsure if I wanted this style. As you can see here, or the other one that is more like a pencil dress style. But I decided I'd go with this style because I don't have much in this, I don't have much like this. So I thought, why not try out something new? This is why I bought this. It comes with a removable tie. It's not attached right now, but I will show it with the tie. You have these things here on the side. You can remove if you wish, so you don't have to use them. You can buy a belt if you wish and put a belt around it. Yeah, the material itself is really stretchy. I like that. And I'm sorry, I'm with my dogs and they tend to walk around. Well, this is kind of interesting. Like, there's no pocket and there's nothing, but we do have this. Interesting. I don't know if there's something lost or if this has to be like this. I have to look it up. Well, but the material is kind of thick and I like that because I don't want it to be super lightweight. I like a bit more of thicker material. On to the next item, which is also not from their current collection but from their old collection, and it's another PVC dress. I couldn't resist. I bought a different style already. I showed it in my last KILLSTAR haul, and I will link the video down below so you can check it out if you wish. And I thought, why not getting a long sleeve one as well? So I grabbed this at a local shop, and I absolutely love it. It's tight, it's nice, you can lift your arms. For everyone who has no idea what I'm talking about, the other dress I have, you can't lift your arms, but with this you can definitely lift your arms. So this is it. I got this in a size small as well, and it fits perfectly. Yeah, I already tried this on and I love it. It's so wonderful. I love PVC, I love the shiny dresses, skirts, everything. This collection was just awesome. Then we have another not so new item. I got this from KILLSTAR as well, from their online shop, and it was on sale, and it's this wonderful leggings. As you can see, this is the bottom. It's kind of this crunched up style, and when I purchased it I was very unsure if the length maybe too short, but for me it's perfect. I can put it in my shoes. The material is as well super stretchy, it's velvet, and I just love the design. You have roses on it, we have these crazy moths and butterflies with skulls, and yeah, it's nice. I could have even get this in a size XS because here it's a bit big, but yeah, I can make it a bit smaller so it fits better. From their current collection I also bought a belt. This is my second KILLSTAR belt, and I do have to say I tried this out. I am not sure if I like it on me, but it may be because of my proportions, you know, like this is stretchy of course, but it's not like you have to really pull it up so it stretches. So if you're like me and you like to eat a lot and you have this kind of belly fat, you know, it will just squeeze everything up front and down. So yes, your waist is thin, but it will look a bit stupid. I don't know. I will try this out again with another dress, show it to you, and yeah, maybe just tell me if it looks good or if I look stupid in it, just let me know. I bought this for work, and it's this wonderful pencil skirt with this velveteen, barockish, devilish design, and what I like about this is of course the bag. Look at it. Look at the bag. You have this lace like this, and then it's a bit longer at the back. You can tie this as you want. I have not tied it tighter because it does fit very well, and the material is stretchy, which is good because I have big hips and I need stretch around my hips. And before I show you the last item, I would like to remind you that if you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to comment, go ahead, do so. I would like to know your thoughts, comments, everything about this collection. If you bought something too, if you like something, if you are interested about something, just let me know. Well, the last item comes in this wonderful box, and yeah, these are shoes. No, these are not from the current collection, these are from sale, but these are shoes I wanted since they came out, and when I saw that these are on sale, I was like, I had to buy these. And we are talking about those cute sandals, which are true to size. I tried them on, as you can see, they are true to size. I'm a European 38 and they fit perfectly. I don't think that I have narrow or wide feet. I would say I have normal feet. So these fit wonderful. They are shiny as well, well made, and the sole is super soft. I cannot believe how soft this is. It's nice. Okay, this is everything, and I would say we just go to the fun part. That's of course trying on, showing some outfits, and then we are done.